Today, I'm going to show you why your business isn't appearing in Google AI Overview and what you can do to start showing up in AI overviews and LLMs the fastest way possible. Ready? Let's dive into the state of search. Quick truth. When a Google AI Overview shows up, fewer people click regular links. If your site isn't cited in that snapshot, you are invisible on that query. Google only shows AI overviews when it thinks a synthesized answer helps, usually complex multi-part questions. It's not every search, so how does it work? Under the hood, Google classifies queries by intent. No, which are simple answers and explanations. Do, which is compare, buy, or take an action. Website, navigational or branded. And visit in person, which is local. You'll see AIO most often on complex no and research-heavy do searches. So here's how to get your site eligible for AIO citations. 1. Be indexable and allow snippets. No accidental blocks. Publish pages that fully answer questions, guides, comparisons, step-by-steps with clear headings and plain text answers. Your structured data should match visible text. Don't stuff invisible claims. A great page experience matters. Verify and maintain your business profile for local visibility. Add organization basics like logo and breadcrumbs with structured data so Google understands who you are. If you don't want snippets used, controls like no snippet, max snippet, or no index apply to AI features too. Track results in Search Console Web. Google says AIO clicks can be higher quality, which means more time on site. And behind the scenes, Google may fan out your questions into subqueries, pull from multiple sources, and then summarize, with prominent links to dig deeper. Now that's your opening. Now here's your 7-day plan. Over the 7 days, you'll want to 1. Fix your crawl snippet settings. 2. Ship 1 no guide and 1 do comparison your buyers actually search. And 3. Verify your business profile and add org schema that matches your visible content. And that's it. Follow for more AI and LLM marketing hacks to boost your business on AI search.